Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to seek and destroy. First, clearly define your target. What exactly are you trying to find or eliminate? Setting precise goals, like reducing errors by 25% or locating a specific file among thousands, is crucial. Understand the boundaries of your task to avoid scope creep and ensure efficient resource allocation. This initial step lays the groundwork for everything that follows. Once your target is clear, it's time to plan your strategy. Break down the overall objective into smaller, manageable steps. For instance, if you're tackling a complex issue, consider a phased approach. Gather all the necessary resources, whether it's specific software, a team of experts, or a budget of $15,000. Also, think ahead about potential challenges and how you'll overcome them. With a solid plan in place, begin execution. Follow your steps systematically, but remain flexible. It's vital to continuously monitor your progress, perhaps through daily check-ins or weekly reports. Pay close attention to any feedback or new data that comes in. If something isn't working as expected, don't hesitate to adapt your approach. Agility is key to successfully navigating unforeseen circumstances. Finally, verify that your objective has been fully achieved. Did you eliminate the problem or find what you were seeking? Conduct a thorough review to confirm success, perhaps by checking against your initial criteria. Document your entire process, noting what worked well and what could be improved. This knowledge is invaluable for future endeavors. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.